Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. It is not just me or you, but there are a lot of people around us struggling to learn English. Even I have given a lot of examples of my friends or family who found it very difficult to speak in English. And how did they succeed in learning English? You might be thinking, it is just one person I don't even know. Or you might also think like, hey, she cooked up that story and I don't think it is real. She just made it up. But today, we are going to talk about the success story of a global star. From the title, you must have understood whom I am talking about. Yes, it's about the world star Jackie Chan. Today we are diving into the cool story of how Jackie Chan learned English. Wondering Jackie Chan, such a big star, doesn't know English and learned it later on? Yeah, even I was amused listening to this first. He himself told about his poor English in many interviews. Jackie Chan, originally from Hong Kong, had a hard time with learning English. When he started making movies in Hollywood, it was very difficult for him because the main language he needed to handle was English, which was very difficult for him. But you know what? He was super motivated to do Hollywood movies. He knew speaking English was a big deal, so he worked really hard to get better. His dedication to learn English helped him a lot. In an interview I recently saw, he told that English is a very difficult language. When he first came to US, he just knew a few words in English like, hello, my name is Jackie Chan. That's what he knew in English. He doesn't know even how to order food. When he was left alone, maybe when he doesn't have his manager around, he goes hungry. And when he sees a restaurant, he thought of ordering the food, but then something pulls him back because there he needs to speak in English. So what he does is he practices the whole night. What should he order the next day? Like he practices bacon toast milk sandwich. Bacon toast milk sandwich. That is how he does it. He told about this in an interview. He just repeat that words again and again. The whole night he goes on repeating it, and the next morning he went and sat in a restaurant. When the waitress came, she gave him the menu card and he was just pretending to read it because he doesn't know what is written in it, because he doesn't know English. And then when she asked for his order, he just repeated the words from yesterday. Milk, toast, bacon, egg. And then what happened? The waitress was like, how would you like your egg, sir? And he was totally stuck. He did not understand what did she say. So he just changes his menu. No egg, bacon milk sandwich. That is how the superstar Jackie Chan was once in his life. Not only that, many of us does this trick like him. He pretends to tie his shoelace when standing in a lift with other American people. He says that American people are very friendly. Whenever they see someone, they start talking. They are very friendly. But to avoid that, he just pretends to tie his shoelace even in a lift. See, he is such a big superstar. He is a world famous personality. Still, he doesn't know English initially. In the initial stage of his career, he doesn't know English. And what? Did he stop there? Did he drop his career? No, he continued it. What he did was he found his problem. His problem was he doesn't know English. He started learning English. How did this man started acting in Hollywood movies? he started learning English. He did not just go and sit in a classroom. No, he did not do it. What did he do? He surrounded himself in English. He started watching movies, listening to songs, reading books, and even talking to people. He practiced. He did what he cannot do, and that is the best way or the smartest way to pick up a language. And guess what? All his efforts paid off big time. Jackie Chan rocked it in English movies like Rush Hour and became a worldwide superstar. He kicked language barrier to the curb and showed everyone what he is made of. He did not give up on English. Now what can we learn from Jackie Chan? Well, he teaches us to stay positive, be confident, keep trying and not to be afraid of our mistakes. Learning English is a journey. And Jackie Chan's journey is a super cool example. So that's Jackie Chan's English learning journey. From struggling to speaking like a pro. Remember, every step you take in learning English is a win. Keep going, stay excited, and you will totally rock it. So guys, this is the story about Jackie Chan. So this is not the story of an ordinary person who doesn't know English. This is the story of a superstar who doesn't know English and how he achieved it. He just learned English just like us. He read books, he listened to music, he watched movies, and he did whatever we are doing. He tried our methods, so we can be really happy that we are on the right track. If you enjoyed this story or have your own language learning experiences to share, drop a comment. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.